Hey guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, and today analyzing the new tools Writecream just add as beta on their dashboard. On my last review, I showed you many of those mini tools that Writecream has, and you know that the tool is formed by short form content, and also they have a long form editor. But they just launched those 6 super useful new content generators, and one that I was waiting for, that the headline generation, and a plagiarism checker, a summarizer, a lot of new tools. So let's check out all the 6 new tools. Let's start to the article writer. As you can see here, you can create a complete blog article with 4 steps. So let's do it. My topic is what's legal marketing. I'm gonna generate the ideas. What's legal marketing? A guide to the basics. Let's start with that one. And I'm gonna generate my intro, clicking here. You can see you have many intros here, up to 5. Legal marketing is a term that's thrown around a lot for just starting out. This one is really good, so I'm gonna get that intro, okay? So now I will generate my outlines. What's legal marketing? What can legal marketing do for your company? What are the different types of legal marketing? Conclusion. Okay, I like that one. I'm gonna go with outline number 2. Then now I have my intro, my title, my outlines, and I will click here to write my article. And then you have a whole article using Writecream. How good is that? You can even edit it here on their long form content. Amazing, amazing. I'm gonna save that one and just copy on my Brainworks so I don't lose it. Okay. So you can see that this one is amazing. Pretty fast you can generate a blog post. Then we're gonna go here to the email copy, the new tool. So my key points are: I want to pitch my new business. It's a legal online school in Brazil. I want to raise my pre-seed funds. And I'm gonna click here to generate an email using my key points. You can see here, they gave me my subject. I want to pitch my new business. Hi, I'm looking to raise pre-seed funding for my new business, and I think you might be a great fit. I'm a legal, so we need to tackle a little bit here. I'm a legal online school in Brazil. No, I'm a professor in Brazil, and I want to help people learn to speak, to learn law. I'm looking to raise 300k in pre-seed funding, and I think you are a perfect person to help me there, etc. So you generate from here many emails subjects. You can just click here and generate again, and you are going to generate more templates. So remember that those are by chance. So if you didn't get any template that you like, just click on generate again, and let's take a look at another new tool. We are going to create a new tool using Writecream, so a new software as a service, for instance. I want to create a translation tool. I want to generate English to French, context, input English, output French. I will write a blog post in English. The tool will translate to French. I will write a video script in English. The tool will translate to French. And now Writecream will create my software as a service. So I have a new tool here, and going on the dashboard, you can see that I have my translation tool here. Then I click here on create, and I'm writing a blog post right now. I want you to translate it to French. You can generate output. The tool will translate to French. Doesn't work really well, at least I followed the instructions and they are giving me that, But, okay. You put the input, the tool gives you the output. I don't know if I understood that too well. Let's check out the headline generator. I just added a couple of text, a paragraph, and a link to a blog post, and I want them to generate my headline. Oh, you do it or that. So, or this or that. Or you add your text, or you add a link. So if you add a link, they will give you headlines for that post. Growth matters more than profitability. They're giving me the same one. I'm gonna try to take that out. Remember that those tools are in beta, and I'm gonna only add the piece of text. They still give me, random outputs. So that headline generation is not working pretty well. Let's check another one, the summarizer. So I'm gonna add the same paragraph, summarize. So they changed a bit the words on that summary and cut some of the information of the paragraph to create the summary. So they took the paragraph, the phrase in the beginning, and then changed some words, and then created that summary. So that's the summarize new tool and the plagiarism checker. So I'm gonna add my content here. I have here 3 paragraphs, okay, and I'm gonna click here to check my plagiarism. Checking my plagiarism. So as you can see aquí as result, they found that my percentage is unique and I have 0% of plagiarism. So the tool is working. I hope you like that review. Those are the new tools on Writecream. And just click on the link below to get to know more about the deal. Maybe that tool is a good fit for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.